Okay, a lot of people ask me about how much water we should drink and what exactly water is the best water for you. I will share something very simple about this. Water is actually very, very important. Water and salt is one of the most important our life to contain your ageless, shiny skin and good hair and more energy. So I just talked to you about how you drink the water in the morning, first thing in the morning, have boiling water, have regular water, put some 1 tablespoon of really good quality sea salt, and then drinking first in the morning and purify your gut system. That's number one. And when you drink water, and water, if you have a filter water is really, really good. Do some research about what exactly filter does. At least remove all fluoride and any toxins. And then when people, 20% of people in US, they're taking some sort of medications like depression, ADHD, all those molecules going into the urine and then flushed out in the water system, it doesn't break down. Yeah, I know. Birth control, all those. So even though you think you drink good water, if you drink not unfiltered water from city, you actually drink all those chemicals. It's kind of crazy, but that is true. So do some research about what exactly water you want to drink because your body